Hi, my name is Ursula Gullow and thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. I am a visual artist. I've been painting for over 20 years and I have been teaching for about 10 years. And I started this video channel because I wanted to document different processes that I really enjoy doing as a visual artist. I think that observing other artists painting or drawing is really one of the best teachers that a student can have. I think it's really important to learn from a variety of artists and not just one artist. And I just think it's important to see how other people are doing things. You could ask 50 different artists how to paint a cat and you're going to get 50 different techniques. I like to work with acrylic paint. I like to work with paper, glitter, glue. I also work with oils and chalk pastels, markers, etc., etc. This isn't a very high production, if you know what I mean. I just turn the camera on and I start painting and talking and hope that you will find something useful out of the things that I'm showing you. So with that said, thank you. Check out some videos. If you like them, please subscribe and you'll be updated regularly when I post a new video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.